Welcome back to the channel Lift On. Today we are going to talk about mastering minimalism in interior design.
The art of simplicity. In a world filled with constant noise and distractions, the allure of minimalistic interior design stands out as an oasis of calmness and clarity. It's more than a mere design trend. It's a lifestyle choice that embraces simplicity, functionality, and a mindful approach to creating harmonious spaces. Let's dive deep into the core principles, elements, and practical tips to master the art of minimalistic interior design. Beyond decor. At its essence, minimalism in interior design isn't just about aesthetics. It's a philosophy that seeks to create environments that allow for maximum focus on what's essential. Rooted in the less is more mantra, minimalism encourages a deliberate curation of spaces, stripping away unnecessary elements to emphasize what truly matters. Principles of minimalistic design. Simplicity reigns supreme. Clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a pared-down aesthetic define minimalism. It's about distilling a space to its purest form, eliminating excess adornment for a serene ambience. Functionality and purpose. Each element within a minimalist space serves a purpose. Furniture and decor aren't just for show, they're chosen for their utility and efficiency, contributing to the overall functionality of the space. Decluttering with intention. Minimalism involves a deliberate process of decluttering and organization. It's about intentionally choosing what adds value and meaning while discarding the unnecessary to maintain an environment of calmness. Neutral palette as a canvas. Neutral colors like whites, creams, grays, and earthy tones dominate minimalistic spaces. They create a backdrop that fosters a sense of tranquility and visual space within a room. Elements of minimalistic interior design. Clean lines and sleek surfaces. Minimalism thrives on clean lines and simplicity. Furniture, architectural details, and decor pieces boast sleek, unembellished designs that contribute to a sense of order and sophistication. Functional furniture and purposeful decor. Every piece in a minimalistic space serves a dual purpose, form, and function. Furniture often features multifunctional designs, and decor is carefully selected to add value without cluttering the space. Spaciousness and openness. Minimalist spaces prioritize openness and a sense of airiness. Rooms are strategically arranged to allow for ease of movement and to avoid overcrowding. Strategic use of negative space. Negative space isn't seen as wasted. Instead, it's a deliberate design choice. It allows for breathing room and emphasizes the significance of the elements present. Crafting your minimalist space. Declutter and edit. Begin by decluttering ruthlessly. Keep only items that serve a purpose or hold significant value. Integrate storage solutions to maintain tidiness. Neutral foundation. Start with neutral walls and floors. This acts as a canvas for your minimalistic vision. Experiment with textures rather than colors to add depth. Quality over quantity. Invest in high-quality, timeless pieces. Consider furniture that's durable, functional, and aesthetically aligned with minimalism. Intentional decor accents. Choose decor items mindfully. Opt for pieces that add value and complement the space without overwhelming it. Select a few statement pieces rather than many small ones. Benefits of minimalistic interior design. Enhanced focus and productivity. A clutter-free environment fosters better concentration and productivity by minimizing distractions. Promotes serenity and relaxation. Minimalistic spaces often evoke a sense of calmness and relaxation due to their clean and uncluttered nature. Ease of maintenance. With fewer items to clean and organize, maintaining a minimalist space is generally more straightforward and less time-consuming. The timeless allure of minimalism. In a world of constant stimuli, minimalistic interior design offers a respite, a haven of simplicity and tranquility. It's a design philosophy that goes beyond mere aesthetics, inviting individuals to reassess their relationship with space and possessions. By embracing the principles of simplicity, functionality, and intentional living, one can create spaces that are not only visually appealing but also conducive to well-being and mindful living. As you embark on your minimalist journey, remember, it's not just about what you remove, but about what you choose to keep. Embrace the beauty of simplicity and let your space breathe, allowing room for both peace and purpose.
Please press like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to catch up on more videos. See you soon and have a good day.